Jackal Protocol is not your average Layer 1 blockchain project. It's an ambitious decentralized storage network built on Cosmos, with a mission to redefine how the world handles privacy, security, and data control. Let's begin with the team. Jackal was founded by Riley Edmonds and Joshua Gans, two Canadian entrepreneurs with a vision of reshaping cloud infrastructure using Web3 technology. The team is relatively small but highly committed, with transparent development updates and frequent appearances in Cosmos community events, hackathons, and Twitter Spaces. Their ethos revolves around privacy, open source values, and sovereign data ownership. Jackal started gaining traction in 2022 when it received early interest from the Cosmos ecosystem. Unlike many projects that rely on hype, Jackal focused on building out real utility, a decentralized storage layer with built-in encryption, file permanence, and compatibility with smart contracts. Their mainnet launched in 2023, making it one of the few working decentralized storage platforms in the Cosmos IBC environment. Now, let's talk GitHub. Jackal is one of the most actively developed decentralized storage protocols. With over 50 repositories under the Jackal Labs organization, you'll find regular commits to core storage modules, dashboard UIs, CLI tools, and even storage provider node configurations. In the past 90 days, they've maintained a healthy contribution cadence, far exceeding many similarly sized projects. This is not a zombie chain. This is an engineering-heavy project, building deep tech. Tokenomics-wise, Jackal uses the JKL token. Its total supply is capped at 500 million tokens. The distribution model includes community incentives, validator rewards, developer grants, and a strategic allocation for the founding team with a long-term vesting schedule. What sets it apart is its strong validator ecosystem and staking model that secures both the blockchain and storage layer. JKL is used to pay for storage, secure the network through staking, and incentivize node operators to maintain decentralized file storage uptime. Think of it like Arweave or Filecoin, but with the added flexibility of Cosmosm smart contracts and IBC composability. Let's now dive into their whitepaper. Jackal's architecture includes three major layers: the blockchain layer, built using Cosmos SDK and Tendermint for consensus, the file system layer for storing encrypted shards of data across global nodes, and the client layer, which allows developers to build Web3 dApps that can store and retrieve private data easily. One standout feature is data lease contracts. These are smart contracts that allow users to define how long a file should be stored and who can access it. This provides both privacy and payment flexibility, which most decentralized storage networks lack. From a stats perspective, Jackal is still early. According to DeFiLlama, its total value locked, TVL, is modest but slowly growing. Storage usage and active nodes, however, are increasing steadily. It currently boasts dozens of active storage providers across North America and Europe, with a goal to onboard hundreds over the next 12 months. Is Jackal financially sustainable? The answer lies in its utility-driven model. Rather than relying solely on speculative DeFi, Jackal generates recurring revenue through data storage payments, similar to how traditional cloud platforms like AWS operate. This creates a reliable income stream for node operators and developers alike. The team is also exploring partnerships with universities, businesses, and dApp builders to expand its reach. As with all privacy-focused projects, Jackal could eventually face legal scrutiny, especially around encrypted data storage and content moderation. However, its decentralized architecture and user-controlled keys give it plausible deniability. It's worth noting that Jackal does not store or moderate content directly. It simply facilitates the decentralized infrastructure. The roadmap for Jackal is both ambitious and grounded. Key goals for 2024 include a cross-chain SDK for IBC dApps to easily integrate Jackal storage, mobile client rollout, and enterprise-grade storage SLAs. Longer term, they aim to build an entire data economy on Cosmos, where Jackal is the backbone of decentralized apps that require censorship-resistant storage. So what's next? Expect expansion into developer grants, more tooling, better File Explorer UX, and potentially bridging into the Ethereum L2 ecosystem to expand market reach. This could unlock a whole new wave of adoption for Web3 devs who are fed up with centralized storage like AWS or Google Cloud. That is the end of this 10-minute deep dive. If you found value in this breakdown of Jackal, give this video a like, share it with your crypto circles, and subscribe for more unbiased, data-driven crypto insights. We've got more Cosmos gems coming soon. Stay tuned.